Why are you doing like this? I'm videoing you. Destiny. Are you pregnant?
Yes. Yeah, better.
Ew, 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 ew. Show me your bum bum. Let me see. Turn your back. Ew, 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 ew. Turn around. Let me see very well. You are pregnant.
Yes.
Who pregnanted you?
You.
Me.
Yes.
Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost. Wait. Who impregnated you?
And Bamba.
Bang, bang, bang. Okay, your husband.
Yes.
Your husband impregnated you.
Yes.
Oh, I go front. Go that side. Let me see. Wow. Hey, go Niuku. Ew. Oh yeah, come and be catching this thing. Oh yeah, drop your handbag now. Drop your handbag. Drop it. Oh yeah, be catching this thing. You. Small, small. You. You.
Baba!
You. You.
Catch him.
Go down now. Do you go like this?
Catch him. Jesus. Jesus Christ. You go here.
You are a pregnant woman. Go down. Pregnant woman. Pregnant woman. Come. Pregnant woman, come. Come. Stop. Leave it. Yeah, come. Yeah. Go that side. Go and pick the other one. Don't play you. Yeah, come. Let me see. Pregnant woman. How many? Look at me now. How many months is your pregnancy?
2.
2 months.
Yes.
When are you going to deliver now? Pregnant woman.
Yes.
Come this side. Pregnant woman, look at. When are you going to deliver your baby? Come on, that's it for your face now. Pregnant woman. Hold on. When are you going to deliver your baby? Wow, I turn around. Let me see. Wait now. Stay. New. Hold on. Pregnant woman. You have this big bum bum. Pregnant woman.
Come inside. Yes.
Pregnant woman. Pregnant woman. Go and drop that balloon. I want you to dance for us. Wait. Baby na yoka dun 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 buguru dun bum 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 dingiri dingiri ding. Start dancing there. Come on for that middle. Oh yeah. Baby na yoka, I want. That's like a pregnant woman. Small. Oh yeah. Dance. Oh yeah. Baby na yoka, I want to know what's up. You do. Your honey butter. I hear you boil on wow. Yo. Oh, that now is it the way pregnant woman used to wait? Destiny, wait. Let's conclude. This way you are dancing. Is it the way pregnant woman used to dance? It's a lie because the baby in the belly will go out. I want to take no need man for man now. Where if I could yo, throw your baby. Throw your balloon. Show me your bum bum. Let me see. Yeah, my bum bum go what hamna. Yo, I go from small. Play ball. Go. Use your leg and play it. Play ball. You not take it easy, Abby. Small, small.
This one.
I play 2 of them now.
Okay.
Ewo.
Okay.
This kind of pregnant woman self, I don't understand. This are too much. Wait. Dance your bumbo, let's see. Come. They didn't know now. Stop. Agreya. Turn your back. Dance. Uyo dogu. Let's wait for uyo dogu. Lego ya kona bia. Let's wait for uyo dogu. Bagam madam bangangangangadam. Dangangangangangangangadam. Baby binkini. Come like this now. Come back small. Hey. Hey. Stay there. Still laugh. Daddy, let me see your baby now. Hey, wait. Is that your baby?
Yes.
Hey. When are you going to deliver your baby? Daddy, come. Let me ask you first. Don't be annoyed. Oh, not Daddy. Mommy, come. Come, let me ask you. Destiny. This is your baby?
Yes. So our baby there.
Okay. Don't show us. No, stop. Hey, cover it. Daddy, when are you going to deliver? Oh, yeah, look at me. What is your baby's name?
Tata.
Your baby's name is Tata? No, now I know it's Tata now. You even wear wig. Wow, this boy. Wow. Oh, yeah, come. Daddy, come now.
Okay, come now.
Come.
Come now.
What is your baby's name?
Baby.
Not baby. What is his name?
Baby. Now where?
What is your baby's name? Is his name Miracle?
Now where?
Who?
Now where?
Emmanuel. What do you call Emmanuel? Call it again. Let me see.
Now where? Now where?
Emmanuel.
Yes.
No. Hold on. You are not getting it correct. Wow. See pregnancy, oh. See bomb, oh. Yay! For this Tinubu regime where everybody they cry. My bomb they here. Big stomach is here. Then is going to give us new bouncing baby girl. Okay. Come on, gonna bed. Come on, for your bed, David. Boy.
Come on. Okay, this one.
Yeah, I'm why you lady. Mota can share exercise, na. Exercise before delivery.
Why not?
Oh. Boy, wow. Daddy, can't give me that wig. Come on, your wig. Wow. Come on, keep it there. Wow. Come now, come. You fine boy, you. Yeah, go and play.
Come on.
You go here, boy. What are you doing? Why? Why you do mad for an Yeah, I feel me what the destiny stand up. Ew. You are done with your exercise, Abby. I come. Come and go and deliver your baby. Come now.
Okay. Right there.
Yeah, destiny have delivered. Daddy, come. Come, let me see your belly. Wow, where is your baby now?
Let me see my baby. See my baby.
You have delivered.
Yes.
Bouncing baby what? Boy, I be girl.
Yes, girl.
Girl.
Yes.
Where is it now? Okay, this is your baby.
Yes.
Daddy, so that is your baby, Abby?
Yes. Scissors.
Hey, Daddy have delivered bouncing baby. Oh, oh.
Claim. Bye.
Huh?
Bye.
See it.